Hello guys and welcome to a new video from Mark George. Today we're gonna learn we are basically going to complete the series of the domain and the last two videos of how to check if the domain was free or not. Then the second video is how to buy a domain. Now we will see what to do after we buy a domain. It's quite a bit longer, but okay. So first we are going to see my domain that I made. www. Yeah, it's like inspiringcodes.com. See, it's nothing. We go there. We go www.inspiringcodes.com slash 2082. Sorry, it's yes. We go to cPanel. These passwords and usernames you get from the website that you chose. For example, if you got name, that will send you an email telling you your name of password of your cPanel to choose, and then to log in there. So this site is made of HostGator. Now let's see what is this. Sure, we're not gonna go over all of these, but I'll try to do my best to show you guys. First, we have the file manager. It opens here. We have all the files. We have the cPanel, we have the public HTML, which we download if we have plugins or so. These are what I did. We have last login, we have everything. Let's in the file manager, sorry if I close it, you can go to public HTML. I'm gonna leave what I made. Well, it's easier to do this. Public HTML. Then Ctrl A. This. Delete. And this delete. Yeah. Skip trash and permanently delete these files mean that you are going to permanently delete the files without passing these files through trash. Warning: do not make this checkbox if you're not sure that this one, if the file you're deleting you may need. Okay, just warning you. So now we have deleted all we did. Still one part. We go to my SQL databases. Then we see here it's inspiring wardrobe one. It's called wardrobe. It's WordPress. Okay, so we delete the database. Then we go back and delete the user. Okay. So that's first thing. Okay. Now you wanna make a website. We bought the domain. We make add the thing we wanna buy, or I wanna make the website because we bought it already. So see, there is something called quick install. You have two ways to do the website. First way, if you're gonna make WordPress, which I'm gonna make you guys learn now, or to make coding, which I know, but I'm basically not going to tell you this because it takes million years to say all of my coding experience. So just let's go with WordPress. Okay, so we go here, get WordPress, install WordPress, go to the site that we have here, install pass. I will stay, let's go with let's go with Mark George. Sorry about that. So add an email. I will choose maybe this one. Yeah, I'll choose this one. Blog title, I'll make a website for Mark Joe. Sorry about the typing mistakes. George. Sure, here I'm going to make Mark, and this Mark, and this George. We installed. It will open another link with another username and another password. See, your install is complete. Click here to view your notifications, view credentials, username, password, admin arena. This is the WordPress arena. You go here, get the password, and I have a O that I didn't write, so O, Control V. I won't remember because I'm basically going to make it with the password that I'm going to save on my computer. So that's how it is. You made a website